Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here recently we've been getting into detailing products, more specifically chemical guys. They have a whole lineup for just about every need you can think of. As you can see here, we got some of their products, we got some of their microfiber towels, applicator pads, and we got more coming even. And over the next few weeks we're going to talk specifically about their products. So like today we're going to start with their heavy metal polish. And as the name applies, you can use this on your aluminum parts, stainless steel, chrome. You can even use it on like copper, silver, and gold. Today though, we're going to use it on this chrome grill guard. So as you can see, we're going to do this piece to the right of the tape. It's got little scratches, some embellishments in the finish, just some imperfections that we're going to try to fix with their heavy metal polish. So first, you're always going to want to clean it with some kind of solution. We're going to use their synthetic detailer and then use a clean microfiber towel. Spray the product on the towel and in single motion just start wiping the area. And then you're going to come back and dry it off. And now we're going to grab our heavy metal polish. So you're going to take your applicator pad, shake it up, always shake your products. And since we're just using it on this small little area, it's not going to take much. We're just going to apply about that much. Come in, dab it over the part, start rubbing it in. And depending on how deep these imperfections are, you might have to get in there. As you saw, this one was pretty deep in some spots. Rub it in like that. Then we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So when that's done, we'll come back. All right, now that we let it sit for about 3 minutes, we're going to come and buff it out. Then I'm going to take more of that synthetic detailer and just give it one more spray. Get the rest of that compound solution off. All right, and as you can see, we're going to take the tape off. There is quite a bit of a difference. We got most of those deep marks out of there, giving it more of a shine that it deserves. And you can use this product on your front and rear bumpers as long as they're metal, of course. Your exhaust tips, steps that are chrome, trim, all the above if it comes in metal. So make sure to stop by and pick up your heavy metal polish today. Let us know in the comments if you've used any other chemical guys stuff or if you've even used this, and let us know how you like it. Thank you.